Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this part of the video, I'm going to walk you through how to convert your Rev Points from the Revolut app into airline miles you can actually use. Whether you're planning your next trip or just want to get more out of your rewards, this is a super handy feature. First, open up the Revolut app on your phone and head to the Rev Points section. This is where all your points are stored from your spending and rewards. Once you're there, tap on Miles. Here, you'll see a list of airline loyalty programs you can connect to. Some popular ones include Flying Blue, Avios, and several others depending on what Revolut is currently offering. Take a moment to choose the program that you actually use or plan to use. Next, you'll need to enter your account details for that airline program. This is really important. Double-check your membership number, your name, and any other required info. If you make a mistake here, your points might not be transferred successfully. Now it's time to decide how many Rev Points you want to convert into miles. You can choose the full amount or just a portion. It's totally up to you. Keep in mind that some programs might have a minimum transfer amount, so check the details before confirming. Once you've entered the amount, go ahead and hit confirm. The app will process your request and transfer the points over to your chosen airline program. In most cases, the transfer is pretty quick, but depending on the airline, it could take anywhere from a few minutes to a few days for the miles to appear in your account. One last but very important. Note the name on your account and the name on your airline loyalty account must match exactly. If there's even a small difference, like an extra middle name or a missing hyphen, the transfer might fail. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can turn your everyday spending into miles that bring you closer to your next flight. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick and practical finance tips, and drop a comment below letting me know which airline program you're converting your Rev Points to. Who knows, we might even swap travel hacks in the comments.